our lives are full of moments and experiences and emotions. You have gone through this life and reached the stage where you are right now with your grit, with your determination and your hard work, right? The kind of lessons learned, insights gained, and the perspectives obtained must be passed on to our, it's like our contribution to the future generations, isn't it? That's the best thing you can do to your, or give to your children and their children, and leave them a legacy behind. Leave them lessons to follow. Leave them your stories so that they can in turn tell it to their children and grandchildren. And humanity has never seen so much change in such a short time as in our times, isn't it? Earlier, the biggest changes happened over several centuries. But if you see just the last 3 decades, everything around has changed so fast, so quick. The way we talk, go to work, communicate with each other, and even eat has changed dramatically. And by looking at the speed of change that's happening right now in everything around us, it's likely to see a lot more transformation happening so rapidly. But there's one thing about humanity or humans that has not changed at all for thousands of years, and that is storytelling. Stories connect people at more deeper levels of understanding and emotions and meaning. And stories inform, entertain, and educate. And stories create attention, and stories create trust. So if you think about your contribution to the future generations, your stories, your experiences, and your legacy could be the most valuable inheritance you can pass on, right? But you may agree, but in the same breath, you may also ask, Ram, how can I sit and write an entire book? I mean, I'm not even a writer, or I don't have time or patience for writing an entire book. Well, that's exactly where Stardom Books comes in. Our writers and editorial team are highly trained experts who will, guide you, support you, and even write your book for you. It will be an easy, fast, and fun system for you to follow, and in a few short months or even a few weeks, you could be holding your own book in your hands. And all you have to do is talk to one of our publishing advisors and explore the different possibilities. Go to stardombooks.com, fill in your details, and schedule a free consultation with our publishing advisor today. Within a few weeks, you could be on your way to becoming a hero to your future generations.